Ever since the COVID 19 outbreak actually hit us very, very hard. And one of the things that you would have heard is that everyone, including me, we are all waiting for the vaccine against this terrible disease. And we are all waiting for that moment when we'll be able to live our lives carefree all over again. But did you know that people living with HIV were also living with this hope that there would be a vaccine? For 35 or 40 years, people living with HIV, even today, do not have a vaccine to protect themselves. If you had COVID 19, the stigma and discrimination that you'd face in your home, in your workplace, within your community is so similar to those who face the same stigma and discrimination because they have HIV. Whilst the COVID 19 outbreak has affected us all in so many different ways, the fact is that people living with HIV have been impacted so adversely, largely because of the fact that they need life-saving medicine on a regular basis. And getting access to ART in a lockdown situation is so difficult. So Alliance India has made this enormous effort, along with, of course, its partners and particularly the National AIDS Control Organization, to make sure that ART is available, in some cases through a decentralized mechanism, in some cases through home deliveries. And very proud to say that nearly 600,000 people living with HIV have access to ART services because of our efforts combined with other people's efforts. And in addition to that, of course, almost 100,000 people have been ensured home delivery of ART, which is so important in this time of lockdown. That the national lockdown, as a result of the COVID 19 outbreak, has impacted hugely on poor people in a variety of ways. And the most important is, of course, the loss of livelihoods. The devastation cannot even be imagined. People are hungry, they are walking thousands of kilometers, cycling thousands of kilometers back to their homes because they don't have money to pay rent, to pay for food. People are really suffering. And most of all, those who are marginalized, those who live on the brinks of society, such as people living with HIV, the huge impact that it has on their mental health situation is unfathomable, and frankly needs to be taken cognizance of, because it's not fair what is happening today in society as far as the marginalized sections are concerned, especially people living with HIV. Coronavirus and its impact on people living with HIV is not my problem, your problem, their problem, the government's problem. It's everyone's problem. For God's sake, nobody asks for this, right? Nobody called it upon themselves. Nobody called HIV upon themselves. Nobody called coronavirus upon themselves. And people are suffering. So we have to. It's our moral obligation. It's our societal duty. It's our citizenship charter to get together and do something about this. So my appeal to you is, please visit endaidsindia.org and find ways in which you can contribute and make your own effort to address the challenges being faced by people living with HIV. Stay safe, all of you. Stay well, but make sure you do your bit for society.